Will back again with another unboxing. This time from, I'm gonna go check this real quick. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I think we're okay. It looks like the box is leaking a little bit. So for this unboxing, we're gonna go maybe a little fast, because I'm not sure. It says here, to Will, Love LF. I don't know who that is. And this is kind of, yeah, I don't know. It's a little shaky in there. So let's open this up. No joking anymore, set aside. All right, so this is the new Friday the 13th reveal of the redo number 3 from Tatuaje Cigars. This is supposed to be the face, and I have no idea what's in it. Let's figure out what boxes we got. I'm not holding my hopes up for a dress box. Let's see what's in it. All right. Hey, would you hand me the cutter? No, the regular cutter, please. What kids today? I just... Seriously? The normal cutter, just the regular normal cut. You know, like, seriously? It's not that dangerous. Okay, let's give this guy a go. So, all right, so here we go. Got a little bit of seepage there. It's all right. We'll figure this out. This side's already open. All right, let's see what we got. Okay. We got cool boxes in here. I don't know, can you guys see that? There it is. Oh, look at that. Super cool. Super cool. Okay, here it is. Monster Series, coming out of Nicaragua, of course, Tatuaje Cigars. This is number 3, so this is Redux 3, and this is Face. So the Leatherface cigar was actually the first modern monster put into the modern series, and I'm pretty sure that these are they? Yeah, I think you can, yeah, you can stack them like this. Now, we got the vertical ones. Here we go. So let's see. Pretty cool. So these are 6 by 3/8, and oh my god, the outside of the box, you got to see this. All right, this is kind of fun. I like somebody who takes some time in their limited production, their limited edition stuff. So here on the outside of the box, let's switch over. You can actually see there's some strike marks in the box where it's been hit, blood splatter, of course, Tatuaje seal. Pretty slick. Let's see, did we get, oh, see, 13 cigars. Look at that. All right. This is Mexican San Andreas over Nicaraguan binders and fillers. Maybe should I open one of these? Should I pop the seal? We have to pop the seal. Come on, right? Let's see what we've got here. All right, so there's only 5,000 of these boxes, and 700 of which are actually individual numbered. Now, I don't think we have any of that. I didn't see any number on there. So let's give this guy a little slice here. See, you must be gentle. Got a chainsaw. Chainsaw in a box of cigars. Come on, really? Alright, pretty cool. Oh nicely wrapped in brown paper. Okay, let's open these guys up. Get this underneath. There we go. Chainsaw. All right, so individually celloed. Nice. Okay. Wow, look at this guy. Ooh, that's a fatty. All right, so this is a 6 3/8 by 56 Toro Gordo. It's an Ecuadorian Connecticut. On the actual like dress boxes, they've actually got a different band on them, and it's a piece of Ecuadorian. I believe it's Ecuadorian Connecticut, and it's all torn. It goes around here, and that's what symbolizes like the leather face type thing. His torn leather mask or face skin. Pretty cool. What do we have? Do we have a closed foot? Oh, it's a closed foot. This is going to be my cigar, so little nipple cap. Closed foot. Excellent. Oh, it smells nice and poopy. Okay, guys, so there is the redo number 3 from Tatuaje. It's supposed to be this is the face. I have leather face, but don't want to get in trouble for that, right? So there it is, brown paper inside of a beautifully adorned box. Once again, slide top, 13 cigars, on sale now. It's in the humidor. I've got a couple of these set aside for a couple of the other guys, but they're going to be going quick. So once again, it's Will here from Blue Label Cigar Lounge. Thanking you again. Follow us on social media, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And if you guys have any questions, you can always reach us at the lounge, 815-524-4179, or at bluelabelcigarlounge.com. I'm going to go check these things into the system, and wishing you a happy Friday the 13th. Chainsaw to open up box. Really? I'll see you guys later. Where's that guy at? You gotta pay for your membership.